And they're on their way. Best of Biscuit shows alertness at the start. Juggling act, the favorite now moving up by the Real Hussey. Then followed by entry number 3, Spanish Lover. Diamond Dane comes next. Lim Shoti is the early trailer. Heading towards the last 900. Juggling act in command by 3/4 of a length lead, followed by Love or Money in second, down in third. Best of Biscuit has then followed by Spanish Lover. Diamond Dane comes next, and Lim Shoti still bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 600, no change with the leader. Juggling act this time by about a length and a half. Love or Money fading out. Hussey moving up down on the inside. Best of Biscuit on the outside and sneaking in by the rail is Spanish Lover. Then comes Diamond Dane, Lim Shoti as they turn for home. This one, the favorite, Juggling act, starts to draw away by about 7 lengths. Is Spanish Lover now running in second. Hussey on the outside with the last 75 meters. The icebreaker, Juggling act. Spanish Lover, Hussey, Best of Biscuit, Diamond Dane, Lim Shoti, and Love or Money.